guys, welcome to another Understand the Real Estate term. My name is Abiola Fadahunsi, and the real estate term for today is a studio apartment, also known as a studio flat. Studios are known for their open floor designs, and in a studio what is applicable is that all the living areas such as the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom are all combined in one large space. Okay, so this means that if you're standing in one part of a studio apartment, you can see the other part or sections of the house. So if you're standing in the kitchen, you can see the bedroom, you can see the living room, because there are really you don't have so much doors separating one room from the other. It's just an open space that is segmented for use, for different use, such as your living area, your kitchen, and your bedroom. Okay, so for someone who lives alone and is looking to save on rent and also appreciate open airy design, open space, airy space, open designs, a studio apartment is great. And because it requires less furniture setup as well, it will help you save costs, and it's great for a first time house owner. Maybe you're looking out to rent for the first time, you are really tight on a budget, a studio apartment is great. Okay, but the challenge is that a studio apartment has limited storage space. So if you're someone that has a lot of belongings and you want to get to live in a studio apartment, you may have to get creative with the ways in which you will store your things. You have to get creative with storage. But when it comes to couple, a studio apartment may not be so ideal for a couple, especially the ones that entertain visitors a lot, because of privacy, due to the fact that a studio is an open space, an open floor plan. Okay, so there won't be so much of privacy because everything is just open. Although some studio apartments, the kitchen can be separate, but what makes it a studio is that it's open plan. You have minimal walls between sessions. It's just open and bed. So for a couple, what may be more ideal, a one bedroom apartment may be more ideal for a couple for privacy reasons, and large family can really take in a studio because of size. So what makes a studio apartment different from a one bedroom flat is the fact that a one bedroom has a separate kitchen, has a separate bedroom and bathroom that has a door. Okay, so it affords you that privacy, unlike what you have applicable in a studio apartment when you have guests. And a one bedroom too sometimes have a separate kitchen, but the major difference is that between the studio and the one bedroom is that you have a separate bedroom and a separate bathroom that has a door. Okay, so that affords you all the privacy that you want. So that is it. That's the meaning of a studio apartment or a studio flat. I hope you are clear. If you have any question, please do well to ask. Send me a DM or use the comment section. If you are watching on YouTube, please drop a comment, like, subscribe, share this video, let more people get knowledgeable. Okay, and prior to now, I explained a semi-detached, a fully detached, an end of terrace house, a terrace house, a flat, and now a studio flat or a studio apartment. So if you've not watched those videos, it's on my YouTube channel. You can watch it there and get to understand the difference between all this type of houses. Okay, if you have any term you want me to explain that you're not clear on a real estate term, let me know. I'll be glad to explain it to you. If you have any question, again, use the comment section. So that's it today on Understand the Real Estate Term with Abiola. I bet you've learned something today. So drop a comment, let me know what you've learned, or let me know what you're not clear on. That's it, and bye for now.